Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share with you how you can get rid of references. Most likely when you import from the Wikipedia and you do the split, you will get external links for the reading references. See also is good to have and process that incrementally. But usually references, I don't want that. Unless maybe in the future I read something very specific and I really want to check the references, I can go back to the original Wikipedia article and check the references. And this is polluting my collection. And the reason for that is because I have more than 1,000 Wikipedia articles already in my collection. So I already did this once. References, find. And of course, this is not exactly what you want here. There are false positives. So you really want to order by the title. Here it is, references. So you have to look manually for the first one. In this case, the first one is 540, and manually the last one is 614. So those are articles I imported into Wikipedia, which I didn't manually deleted the references. So next step you want is open the browser with this icon here. Open a new browser with only selected elements. There are elements, could be topics or items, doesn't matter. Now as you can see, we have 75 elements of all references. I want to get rid of them. It's not just setting them as dismissed. Now, if I go to process browser, as you can see, there's no option as delete. If you see advanced, topic, postpone, learning, you could forget, which will set them as pending. And that's what I noticed, that there's not an option to just delete them. So you actually is setting done. And as you know, done deletes the content, but gets the hierarchy of all the childs. But all of those topics are childless. Doesn't have any child. I haven't made any extract. So what will happen is that it will just get deleted. Execute done, yes to all. And thankfully, there's an option to select OK to all. And now you can see everything is deleted now. As easy as that. Also keep in mind to make a backup before doing that, especially if it's the first time you do it. So I hope this has been useful. It's a very easy trick. And I think there's another solution with SuperMemo Assistant, which when you import, you don't import the references to begin with. So you don't actually have the need to get rid of references.